Hello guys, today I've got Sennheiser Momentum 5 and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application for your headphones in your iPhone. This application is called Sennheiser Smart Control, and at first you need to open the App Store. Here open search, and in the search bar search for the Sennheiser Smart Control. This one. Sonova Consumer Hearing something. Sennheiser Smart Control Plus. Okay. Here I need to install this application. Pardon me. And now you should see here Get button. If you tap this Get button, you will need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID password, or Touch ID, depending on the device you use. Let me pause the video so that you won't watch this whole process of installation. I was actually connected to wrong Wi-Fi network, now it works, and so we need to tap Now Open. Before pairing with the application, I actually recommend to be connected with your headphones. Here, Get Started. We don't have to join the improvement program. We don't need to create an account. We need to grant the Bluetooth permission, so allow, and now actually it's all done. We can skip this tutorial by tapping this X. Here we've got first impressions, which is actually your experience, so you can just tap if you like them or not, and that should be it. Goodbye.